Alright, today let's learn about Zero Trust Rapid Modernization Plan known as RaMP. Imagine a company upgrading its security like renovating a house, starting with the doors, then the windows, and finally the locks. In Microsoft Security, the Zero Trust Rapid Modernization Plan, that is RaMP, guides organizations through a step by step journey to quickly adopt Zero Trust by focusing first on identities, then devices, and finally applications and data. For example, it begins with enforcing strong authentication in Azure Active Directory, then moves to securing endpoints with Intune and Defender, and later protects workloads for Defender for Cloud. This structured roadmap helps organizations modernize faster, reduce risk, and build a resilient zero trust architecture. Let's meet in our next lecture.